Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 29, 2023, 3-star Sudoku. Second row, third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. First grid, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade, column F, column H, we have pair numbers 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 9th grade, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, 2nd row, and 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 2nd grade also we have 2. So 2 can't come the 2 cells. Then 8th row and 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come here another cells. It will confirm later. Column H, column I, and 6th row, you have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come here another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 2nd row, 3rd row, we have 2. 6th grade also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in one of the cells. We'll confirm later. 2nd row and 3rd row, we have 3. 3 will come in one of the cells. So 3 won't come these cells. Column E, column F also we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, 9th row, we have 8. Column H also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column C and 3rd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 4 also here. 7th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come here another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, only 1 numbers are remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 8th grade and 5th row and 4th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 10th row and 5th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column H, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 5, 7. 9th grade, value is 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. The 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 9. 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 6th grade, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 5. Column I, value of 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 9. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 2nd grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 3rd grade, only 1 number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 8. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then the column H, only 1 number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 4. 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 9. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 9. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.